Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix eSIM not working after iOS 27 update. So if your eSIM stopped working after updating to iOS 27, you are not necessarily dealing with damaged eSIM. In many cases, the update simply caused the cellular configuration to refresh and your eSIM may not reconnect properly. As a result, you might notice no signal, failed calls, or mobile data not working. Fortunately, there are few things you can try before connecting to your carrier. So to begin with, make sure your eSIM is still enabled on your iPhone, and to check that, open settings. After that, tap to mobile service and then select your eSIM line. The turn on this line option is enabled. I'm not using eSIM, so in my iPhone the option is not available. Now if your eSIM is enabled but still not working, then restart your iPhone. This allows your iPhone to reconnect with your carrier using a refreshed cellular setting after the update. And if that does not solve the problem either, restart your network settings. And to do that, go to settings. Now here click on general. After that, scroll down all the way and then click on transfer or reset iPhone. After that, click on reset and a pop-up will appear. Here click on reset network settings. Now here you may need to enter your iPhone passcode, and as soon as you enter that, you again have to verify your passcode and then follow the on-screen instructions to reset network settings. Once your iPhone restart, allow it a few minutes to reconnect with your carrier. And one last thing I'd recommend checking is whether your carrier has confirmed compatibility with the latest iOS 26 update, or whether Apple has already released a newer build that fix eSIM related bugs. So go to general and here click on software update and install if any update available before testing your eSIM again. And that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.